Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a private channel in a team in Microsoft Teams. Now before I do that, just very quickly, a private channel is a channel that you create and you extend permission to only a subset of your team members. So for example, if you have a team with 100 people and you want to create a private channel, you might only want to grant access to that private channel to maybe 20 or 50 of those team members. So that's what a private channel is. Now let's go ahead and have a look at how to create one. So the first thing you want to do is find the team that you want to create your private channel in, and you want to click on the More Options button to the right of the team name, and then you want to click Add a Channel. This is going to bring up the Create a Channel menu, and the first thing you'll want to do is give the channel a name. So in this case, I'll just call this private channel Project X. Maybe it's a top secret project that we're going to be working on. And then you can give it a description if you'd like, but where you really want to come down to is the privacy setting. And so by default, all of these channels are public or standard, meaning they're accessible to all team members. And if you want to make it private, then you want to select private here. So we're going to go ahead and select private and then click next. So because it's a private channel, Teams is asking us to select the team members that we want to have access to this. So I'm going to go ahead and select myself here, my second account. And now I can create this private channel and grant access to another user. And I'm going to click add. And so I've extended access to this private channel. And if I had more users, then I can go ahead and I can find them here. Now, you can also choose whether you want a particular user to be just a member or to have owner permissions. If they have owner permissions, then they have the right to extend access to that channel. We'll just leave this person as a member and we'll click done. And there you go. I've now created a private channel here in my finance team. And in case it wasn't obvious, private channels are sort of denoted by the little lock icon to the right of the channel name. So that is how to create a private channel in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please add a comment below, like it, and if you want to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for now and talk to you soon.